Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now today in this video I am going to explain about integers. Last time we have discussed about the types of numbers or the classification of numbers. Now today we are going to discuss about integers, one of the type of the numbers. So there are many things which we have to know about integers while solving the mathematical problems, okay? And I am going to give you some concept about integers, that integers is like one of the topic which are taught in class above class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? Especially it is taught in class 6. Now today we are going to discuss about some points or many important things about the integers, okay? Now integers, okay, first of all we should know who introduced integers in the world, okay? Now in world, last time we have discussed, in my last videos we have discussed about the fathers of mathematics, okay, and the different branches and their fathers also. Similarly we have to know who introduced or who is the father of integers in the world. So the name of the person is Diophantus, okay? He was the Greek mathematician and he introduced integers in the world, or we can say he was the father of integers in the world. Similarly, now in India also, in India the very much familiar name, that is Brahmagupta. He was the one of the mathematician. He introduced integers in India, okay? This is the 2 points which we have to know before doing or before knowing or before solving mathematical problems of the integers, okay? And last time we have discussed about the integers. There are 3 classification of integers, okay? Now I just recap only integers. There are 3 types of integers. Last time we have discussed that number 1 is positive, okay, and number 2 is negative, and number 3 we can write 0. Positive means the positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and so on. Negative means -1, -2, -3, then -4, like this, and 0. 0 is like it is neither positive nor negative, but we can say 0 as a whole number, so it is called the integers, okay? And we can also say that integers is neither decimal nor fractional, or we can say that integers cannot be decimal point. It is not in decimal point and it is not in fractional part also, like 0.24, it is not a integers, or we can say 5/6, it is not the integers, okay? Integers is positive, negative, and 0 only. So we have discussed by making a line also. Now there are 4 4 operations of the integers, okay? 4 operations of integers, or we can say 4 fundamental operations of integers, okay? Now before calculating the many problems of integers, we must know there are 4 operations of the integers, okay? And number 1, addition of integers, okay? Number 2, subtraction of integers. Number 3, multiplication of integers. And number 4, division of integers, okay? Now there are 4 operations of integers, like addition of integers, okay? How we have to add the integers, there is some process, there is some method that we must know, that is in addition of integers. And similarly number 2, subtraction of integers, okay? And number 3, multiplication of integers. Okay, and number 4, division of integers. Now we'll discuss about addition of integers. Okay, line by line or part by part we can discuss. So I'll rub this number 2, 3, 4, then we'll discuss number 1 about the addition of integers. Okay, addition of integers. So I can give you example. 2, we can write add 2 and 4, or 2 plus 4, or we can write add minus 2 and 4, minus 2 plus 4, then add minus 2 and minus 4, minus 2 minus 4, and 1 2 3, then add then 2 and minus 4, minus 2 plus then minus 4. Okay, now we must know about the sign. While adding the integers, we must consider the sign. Okay, regarding add only, how we can add the integers? First put the sign plus. Number 2 and number 4, how we can add? Okay, first put the sign plus because we are doing add. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Simple. Similarly, minus 2 and 4. Now here minus is given, so we can put bracket here also, and even we can put bracket here, or we cannot put bracket here also. Then minus 2 plus 4, it means then minus 2 plus 4. Now we have to subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. The sign of the bigger number is plus. Okay, whenever we are subtracting, because the sign is different, minus and plus, we have to subtract, then put the sign of the bigger number. 4 is bigger than 2. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is 2, and the sign of the bigger number is plus. We may write plus or we may not write plus also. Okay, similarly minus 2 and minus 4, we have to add. Okay, just I want to clear here. Minus 2 plus then minus 4, again open the bracket, minus 2 plus into minus, minus, then minus minus we have to add, then minus 6. Okay, because we are doing add only, that's why we put plus sign out here, but the sign of the 2 is minus, the sign of the 4 is minus only, so this plus becomes because of this add only. Okay, now minus 2, remove the bracket, then plus into minus, minus. Okay, then whenever the sign is same, just add the numbers, like minus 2 minus 4, it becomes minus 6. Okay, just add the number 2 4 minus 6. Okay, add the number and put the sign, the same sign, that is minus, like 6. Okay, out here also plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 only, you can write plus here, no problem. Okay, no issue. Similarly 2 and minus 4, again you can put bracket here, no problem. Okay, then minus 2 plus into minus, minus, again here is not a minus sign. Okay, now there is 2 only, then 2 plus into minus, minus. Okay, then 4 minus 2 is 2, the sign of the bigger number is minus. Okay, now again I'll explain. Add 2 and minus 4, 2 and minus 4, so just write the 2, then plus because of this add only, then the sign of the 4 is minus 4. Okay, the sign of the 4 is minus only. Now just write the 2 only, plus into minus, minus. Okay, now 4 minus 2 is just subtract only because the sign is different, here plus and here is minus. Okay, now 4 minus 2, 2, and the sign of the bigger number is minus. So this is the answer. So there are 4 like terms, or we can say the 4 types of classification while doing addition of integers. Whenever you are doing addition, just consider the sign, and addition you must put plus in between the numbers, then consider the sign. Okay, so this much for the additions. So now we'll do like subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers, and division in my next video. So I'll explain other operations of integers in my next video. I hope you all understood my videos. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel.